So, have you ever wondered if you're really glorifying God with the food that you're eating? Or if you even can glorify God with the food that you're eating? First Corinthians 10:31, I believe it is, says, um, everything that you eat or drink, do it for the glory of God. So that tells me that we can glorify God with what we put into our bodies. And I always go back to Genesis 1:29 because that is the food that he first gave us before sin entered the world. So that's his perfect plan, is Genesis 1:29. Every plant and seed and fruit. So are we glorifying God with what we put in our bodies, or are we just eating without even thinking about it? Are we at least praying over our food? Are we praying over our Big Mac and asking it to glorify our body, nourish our body? That always just cracks me up. And I'm guilty of it, right? We all are. But if I think about, am I glorifying God with what I put in my body? Probably 70% of the time I'm not, right? Or at least I didn't used to be. I would drink almost a 2 liter of soda a day. It didn't matter whether it was dark, whether it was sugar-free, whether it was caffeine-free. It didn't matter. What I didn't enjoy was, I call it white, light drinks. So Sprite, 7-Up, I could take or leave those. But dark soda, there's something about it. I think it's the caramel color, not sure. But I would drink a 2 liter of that a day, and that sure wasn't glorifying God. It was causing me to become morbidly obese. It was causing all kinds of health issues, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. So put that on my body and then put some Pop-Tarts in there with it. And yeah, I wasn't glorifying God. And we need to nourish our bodies so that we can fulfill what he has called us to do. You are a saint if you have Christ. So if you have surrendered your life to Jesus Christ, you are a saint. And God has a plan for you. And you need to be as strong as possible and as healthy as possible to be able to walk that plan out. So I just encourage you this week to pay attention to what you're putting on your plate. Pay attention if you're being a good steward of your body, of the body that he's given you, and just start to notice those things. That might be enough this week. Just notice. And it's not about guilt at all. So don't let the enemy make you feel guilty. It's just about noticing, because it's hard in this world with all of the commercials, all of the food that blasts us all the time. It's hard to be able to think straight and think biblically about food. So don't let the enemy beat you up. Just pay attention to what you're putting on your plate, what you're putting in your mouth, and ask yourself, is this glorifying God? Is this nourishing me? And if you notice that it isn't, decide, right? It's always a decision. Decide if you want to go ahead and eat it, or if you want to swap it for something else, something that God made, something that's from the garden, right? So little changes, little, sometimes mental changes. And it might be enough if you are paying attention to when you're eating, why you're eating. Is it stress? Is it frustration? Is it anger? Is it sadness? Call it out. Stop the limbic system, the limbic brain, and bring it to your frontal cortex and say out loud, because there's power in words. We know that. That's biblical. Say it out loud. I notice I'm wanting to eat because I'm angry. I notice I want to eat because I'm sad. And then notice how that changes things for you. That little brain shift will make it so you can say, no, I'm not going to do this. I am not going to put potato chips in my body because I know it's not going to nourish me. I know it's not going to satisfy me. And then take it to the Lord. Ask Him to help you. Pray about it. I hope that helps. I hope you have a blessed week. I'm praying for you. Take care.